Welcome to the Strategic Cybersecurity channel brought to you by NKFP. If you are new here, thanks for tuning in. We are glad to have you. Our main focus today is the profit centers of traditional banks in the northern part of Africa. As we said in the previous episode, it's very critical for a CISO to have a better understanding of the different profit centers of the banks so that they can lay out a proper and robust cybersecurity strategy. North Africa has a more mature and diversified banking sector. One of the key profit centers are as follows. Let's start with corporate and commercial banking. This service is targeting large-scale business, loans, projects finance, trade finance. Why this profit center is very important? It's very important because we have a strong energy sector and infrastructure sectors. So banks are driving revenue in this profit center through interest income, fees, and advisory charges. As the second one will be the retail banking. Retail banking is common. We have seen that profit center in other parts of Africa. We say that it covers mostly savings, current accounts, personal loans, credit cards. This is for large urban population with growing consumer credit demand. How those banks are driving revenue here is through interest income, account fees, and card fees. The third one will be the treasury and investment banking. This service targeting basically trading government bonds, foreign exchange, and foreign exchange. How is it important? It's important because in this part of Africa, we have a well-developed capital market, and the government debt instruments are very common. And how those banks are driving revenue here is through trading gains, interest income, and commissions. So we already talked about corporate banking, retail banking, treasury and investment banking. This is quite common what we have in the other part of Africa. Another profit center which is common to the other parts is the trade finance and export-import service through letters of credit, guarantee, export finance. How is it important? Because here the Northern Africans has strong economic ties with Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Banks are driving revenue here through commissions and fees. One of the profit centers that is very, very specific to this part of country is Islamic banking and finance. We have a significant Muslim population, and the demand for Islamic finance is very high. And banking are driving revenue here through profit sharings and fees. We have to mention also digital and mobile banking with the service like online banking, mobile wallet, e-payments, because we have an increasing adoption of fintech and mobile service in this part of Africa also. The banks are driving revenue here through transaction fees and service charges. This is a top 6 of the profit center in Northern Africa. Once you have a better understanding of the profit center as a CISO, you can have a clear understanding of why your organization is in business, how the organization is making money, and you can identify more easily, you can lay out a cybersecurity strategy that will be a business enabler for your organization. Thank you.